Hello! Today, our adventure takes us in Sharjah Safari. So, it's gonna be a whole day. I booked for a silver ticket, 127 dirhams. So, to take us for a bus tour all over this area. While waiting for the bus, it's 1 hour and a half more to go before the bus. I came a little bit early. So, yeah, I'm gonna go and head to the avian, the birds sanctuary. So let's look at it together, okay? Ooh, that's beautiful. There's lots of fish in there, black ones. Look at this place. It's teeming with flora and fauna. Wow. Awesome. They are not relaxing mode. And see, if you notice that trees over there. Wow. So let's head to the avian sanctuary. Aviary. Look, it's relaxing up the trees. Family with two babies. Hello. Oh, there's flamingos. Wow. They have a feeder over there, but no birds. I scared them off. Honestly, I can stay here all day, every day. You heard that? He's back. Someone is back. Making some noise here. Beautiful. I felt like I'm under the cave. Let's see if we can find something. Let's see. I didn't see nothing. Hello. Look what I found. A flock of them. How are you guys? And while walking here, you can meet these little birds just walking around, but they are afraid of people. So they usually run away. What are you talking about? I think they're mocking me. There's some benches that you can sit and just enjoy nature. Okay, let's explore Zanzibar village. That's the silver waiting area, so just waiting for the bus. It needs like 30 minutes more, so let's explore this place. Lots of buildings, some shops. Is in a fall. Huh. Hello. Waiting for some food. Do you want me to feed you? Oh, and some donkeys. Hello. Enjoy your meal. Just passing by. Stranger passing by. And I've seen something. Chickens. We do have those chickens in Philippines. We call them native ones. And the smaller ones in the cage